Chile Pasado is a traditional Mexican dish from the north of Mexico, especially Chihuahua and Durango. This recipe is made with roasted chiles that go through a special drying process named Pasado. So you can find more information at MexicanFoodByLaura.com. So I'm just rotating the chiles, and now I'm just gonna get rid of the branches and the seeds, and I'm gonna cut into thin slices, or you can make it into squares. I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of cooking oil to a pan, and I'm gonna cook potatoes, cut it into squares. This is 1 cup of potatoes. I'm gonna cover it with a lid, and once they are ready, I'm adding 1 cup of tomato and half a cup of onion, 1 tablespoon of garlic, and I'm gonna let it cook, and then add the rajas, yes, the chile rajas, and 1 tablespoon of chicken bouillon and 3 cups of water. We're gonna let it boil there for around 3 minutes, and after that, we are gonna turn off the heat and add the cheese. This is the perfect side dish for carne asada. You can have it as a taco, you can have it as a burrito, tufilapa gordita, super delicious. For more amazing, authentic Mexican food made by a Mexican mom, follow Las Recetas de Laura in Spanish or Mexican Food by Laura in English. You can find all of these recipes at my website, Mexican Food by Laura. Remember that you can find all of my recipes with photos and step-by-step written instructions at MexicanFoodByLaura.com.